Hello. क्या हाल है जाना? क्या गाया था आज? मैं बताता हूँ। हम जाएंगे GTB नगर और हम देखेंगे EOTD अनबॉक्सिंग। हाइडेवे विनायक EOTD. The camera is so bad. Okay. Let's go to videos. Let's go to playlists. Let's go to home. Let's go to playlists. Actually, let's just go to videos. Oldest. And just scroll around. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Apparently मैं देख चुका हूँ.
I did not mind say 7.
Oh no. ये आजकल.
I did not mind say 7.
शुरू से देखते हैं. यो पुल के. क्या?
And I would say, I have to say, you know, the second last और उसका जो 8th episode है बहुत ही सही है.
किसके बाद?
मैं last episode पे पहुंचने वाला हूँ. And I would say I have to season 5 के last episode. मैं Game of Thrones के season 5 के
Game of Thrones चल रहा है अभी.
And I would say I have to say, you know, the second last और उसका जो 8th episode है बहुत ही सही है. मैं भूल गया था एपिसोड्स. इसमें सब कुछ हुआ है. क्या हाल है खुशी? क्या हाल है? इंटरेस्टिंग गाना तो क्या ही है. यू हर्ड इट लाइक 10,000 times. मैं आई नो करने की सोच रहा था. मैं कह रहा था कि बड़ा ये दोनों एपिसोड अमेजिंग थे भाई. इसमें भी बहुत अच्छा म्यूजिक था वैसे. बट इसमें जॉन स्नो फर्स्ट टाइम आर्मी ऑफ द डेड से लड़ता है. एपिसोड 9 सैड का है. लाइक उसमें डेनेरिस क्या कहते हैं, ड्रैगन पे उड़ जाती है. बढ़िया. शिरीन
कौन है? हाउस ऑफ ड्रैगन का फर्स्ट एपिसोड आल्सो.
शिरीन कौन है? मैं कोई शिरीन नहीं है अभी गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स में. GOT कौन है शिरीन भाई? I don't remember any. Oh yes, it's very sad. Oh Shireen Baratheon, yes. ये थोड़ा अरे yes. भाई how do you remember this? How do you remember this?
I am enjoying your chat एकदम identically साथ.
ये तो बहुत.
You're telling this guy
सच पता है
before. You're telling in the chat this guy पहले से क्या हो रहा है?
शिरीन मैंने जैसे लिखा Shireen Baratheon आ गया ना. I was like oh shit यार, ये अभी हुआ है यार. बट उसके तुरंत बाद ड्रैगन वाला फियास्को स्टार्ट. सो बट हाँ ये काफी. हाउ डू यू रिमेम्बर? दैट्स क्रेजी भाई.
मेरे नॉइडा
आइस विल मेल्ट. चलो शुरू करते हैं. बहुत अच्छा गाना है यार.
episode 9 are always either sad deaths or epic.
You've been known to take the hand of any man.
अच्छा गा रहा हूँ मैं, अच्छा बहुत अच्छे सुर में था।
Bhai, trying to hide. How do you remember this, yaar? I have to say, have you watched it like more than once? Have you watched it like 3 times? Because 4 बार तो नहीं हो सकता, बहुत टाइम जाता है, ये खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा शो भाई। इतने में पता है जितनी देर में मैंने ये 5 सीजन देखे हैं, मैं कितने आने में खत्म कर सकता था, मतलब मैं बता भी नहीं सकता। आई जस्ट कैलकुलेट, ठीक है, 10 एपिसोड 1-1 घंटे के हैं, ठीक है, इतने में 2 सीजन हो जाने आने में के, जो पूरा आने में खत्म हो जाता है 2 सीजन में। सो मैंने 5 आने में देख लिए होते अभी तक, एक्सक्लूडिंग द ला। मैं तो उसके लिए भी एक्साइटेड हूँ। पाला मकुदिस। The most ingenious thing ever I've done is this talk about GOT. That's the episode with China Heights' favorite score.
ऐसा लग रहा है मैं 2 ट्रायना हाइट्स से बात कर रहा हूँ।
I did not mind say 7th season भाई। Battle of Bastard was 7th season, no?
6 सीजन लिखा आपने।
वो तो अच्छा एपिसोड था। Or is it the last episode? Like last season? Battle of Bastards is not season 6. But season 5 was amazing. Like I have to give it to them. इतना बढ़िया है ना season 5।
मेरे को season 5 दोबारा देखूंगा मैं अब थोड़े दिनों में।
अब मैं बहुत ही, मेरा एक दोस्त एंड वो बेचारा जो बंदा था जिसका थिएटर था वो, he never watched GOT. उसने सिर्फ वो घटिया एपिसोड देखा।
लॉल, I remember this story. ये क्या बोला मैंने? Why did I whisper? What? What is happening? दोबारा क्यों गा रहा हूँ मैं? Interesting. You
Punished. That was enough for me, especially to catch him.
I was
off
reading the
guard.
chat.
किसकी बात हो रही है ये? कौन पनिश हुआ था?
लॉल, विनायक अरोड़ा, ब्रेड का पकोड़ा, खाने में टेस्टी, थोड़ा थोड़ा। What is this? Let's just keep. Logic तो Oh God. I think मैं लॉजिक खोलता ही नहीं हूँ अब। We're doing pseudo trivia, no? यहाँ
Find out we've been lying, cheating, baby.
मैं कितना गाता हूँ ड्रेक बेल। I should sing Linkin Park more, ऐसा होना चाहिए। कितना ज्यादा गाता हूँ मैं। गलत बात है, ये मूछें तो क्रेजी लग रही है नहीं? Because they removed the actual trivia, that is true. मैंने एक प्रेडिक्शन किया, देखते हैं वो सच होती है या नहीं। Anyways, Linkin Park, leave out all the rest. ये गाते हैं आज। प्रेडिक्शन क्यों बताऊं? जब प्रेडिक्शन पूरी होगी तब बताऊंगा। ऐसे कह रहे हो जैसे आपने बहुत चीजें बता रखी हैं मुझे जब मैंने पूछे कि आई विल ऐसे टेल यू। लर्न टू लिव विद द सस्पेंस लाइक यू डू टू विद अस। नहीं पता है तो नहीं पता लगेगा। This is our peace trying to hide. मैं कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहा था. You are not getting anything. You were so scared. No one will listen, but no one else scared. After my dreaming, I woke with this fear. What am I leaving? Yeah, how you sound? What am I doing here? So if you're asking me, I want you to know a little bit of something is not nothing. You'll get nothing. When my time comes, forget the wrong that I've done. Help me leave behind some reasons to be missed. And don't resent me when you're feeling empty. Keep me in your memory. Leave out all the rest. Leave out all the rest. Don't be afraid. I've taken my beating. I've shaped what I've made. I'm strong on the surface, not all the way through. I've never been perfect, but neither have you. So if you're asking me, I want you to know. Oh, when my time comes, forget the wrong that I've done. Help me leave behind some reasons to be mad. Don't resent me when you're feeling empty. Keep me in your memory. Leave out all the rest. Leave out all the rest. Forgetting all the hurt inside you've learned to hide so well. Pretending someone else comes and I can be who you are. When my time comes, forget the wrong that I've done. Help me leave behind some reasons to be missed. Don't resent me when you're feeling empty. Keep me in your memory. Leave out all the rest. Leave out all the rest. Forgetting all the hurt inside you've learned to hide so well. Pretending someone else come and save me from myself. I can be who you are. I can be who you are. अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे. Trying to hide, keeping secrets from you. मतलब इवेंचुअली तो मैं बता ही दूंगा ऑब्वियसली. तो मुझे ही पता, आपको ही पता है. कब बताऊंगा, थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है. Yeah, that will be the mystery of it. When I'll tell you. बताऊंगा तो मैं पक्का ऑब्वियसली. I'll just give you a hint कि वो बड़ी prediction भी हो सकती है, बहुत छोटी prediction भी हो सकती है. That's the hint. That's all you're getting. क्योंकि बहुत obvious I'll tell you. मतलब मैं कुछ पेट में बात रख नहीं सकता I guess. Especially with EOTD. Now you're asking questions about the prediction. Maybe. Exactly. You're made for academic stuff. You're made for an arts degree. मेरे हिसाब से Exactly. I completely agree. And a bucket of water can be considered a freaking planet in front of, एक बहुत ही छोटा बैक्टीरिया. See, there's where you and I differ. A planet can be as small as a bucket. A planet can be as small as my guitar. That's the thing. A planet can be as big as a country. क्या है वो डेफिनेशन प्लैनेट की? Let's see. Planet meaning a celestial body moving in an elliptical orbit around a star. तो celestial body का size कहाँ से define होगा? If you think about it, Dragon Ball Z में King Kai का planet was as big as एक छोटा सा backyard. Moons can't be planet, but अगर एक ऐसी celestial body जो एक स्टार के आसपास घूम रही है can be considered a planet. Moons एक planet के आसपास घूमते हैं. और इसमें ये भी लिखा है Cambridge Dictionary में an extremely large round mass of rock and metal such as Earth or a gas or such as Jupiter. So I guess an extremely large is also part of it. मैं तो ड्रैगन बॉल ज़ी यूनिवर्स के हिसाब से सोच रहा था क्योंकि उसमें किंग काय का घर एक प्लैनेट है जो बहुत छोटा है. large body. Large is. Planet is a large round object that moves. ठीक है. I guess. I was so stupid to say all of this. I was just thinking in terms of anime. Let's just ask the right question. Allow this time. How small can a planet be?
According to BBC Sky at Night magazine, while it's possible to say the smallest exoplanet discovered so far is Kepler 37b, considerably smaller than Mercury and only a little bigger than our own moon, we can't know for sure that there aren't billions of tiny planets out there that would make poor little Mercury look positively Jovian.
Okay. What's the minimum size for a planet? Yeah. Diameter. A planet is any object in orbit around the sun with a diameter greater than 2000 kilometers. Yeah, of course. And I see थोड़ा जोश में आ गया था. If an object is smaller than 2.7% the mass of Earth, its atmosphere will escape before अच्छा ठीक है ये तो मुझे this is Pluto as a dwarf planet. Really? Google, can you read some Shakespeare? Oh. Can you recite some Shakespeare? Can you, Google, recite some poetry? Oh my god. How big is Mr. Beast's worth? It's not saying anything. Can you say something? Oh my god. It was written as in the copy. I was also what is the word? Describe cosmology.
According to Department of Energy, cosmology is the study of the origin, development, structure, history, and future of the entire universe.
Define Hindustani music.
According to Wikipedia, Hindustani classical music is the classical music of the Indian subcontinent's northern regions.
It may. पता है आजकल रहना है. I'm also watching some United Kingdom shows. So वहाँ पर there are a lot of different accents within United Kingdom. So I can understand like one of them or like two of them or like then I start understanding. But sometimes I get all the accents mixed up, and there's some accents which are very strong and I can't really understand them. Music from North India. Which ones? I'm just watching. Have you? There's a show that Sidemen released. It's called Inside. It's like Big Boss for influencers. I mean, even Game of Thrones has a lot of strong accents. Like, a lot of times, yeah. I'm like, pardon, what did you just say? Yeah, a lot of times, मेरे को कुछ समझ नहीं आता है. How did we reach here from EOTD? Oh my god. Come on. यार बहुत. Wait. Oh my god. Do you wanna look at my bookmark over the last 15 years. Oh my god. Oh my god. So ये तो Arambol. I think this is when me and Akash went to Goa. This is 2018 Antragni. Take My Breath Away, sheet music, Queen a cappella. Louder on Me, I don't even know what this is. Jazz, vocal improvisation. This is around 2016, 17 maybe. Resume. Tribute to Linkin Park, Chester Bennington. So this is probably Linkin Park. Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. मेरा I think वो उसके time होगा. Some musical theory shit. DTU Sports. When I Was Your Man. Chester Bennington. Oh my god. This is all a cappella Linkin Park का जब मैं prepare कर रहा था. God name पता नहीं क्या है ये सब. मेरी मैम का blog. This is old shit. What is all of this? The Art of Vocal Production? ये क्या है? Coursera? Ew. Ew. I have to delete all of this. All of this looks shit. But it tells a story. It tells my past. Like, this is very old. Like, this is very, very old. It's, oh my god, old. It's a different world जिस time पे हुआ था. Why am I checking my mail now? Is that what I'm doing in fucking EOTD right now? Checking my fucking mail. Fuck. I love saying fuck now. You can screenshot from memory. भाई screenshots तो घूम जाते हैं जिंदगी में. Ben Boomer recently announced a show near you. What? That's cool. Ben Boomer is cool. Ben Boomer is very, very, very cool. Property. दिल से Dean Ali Munna. What बहुत ही weird मेल्स आती हैं यार मुझे. इतना कुछ सब्सक्रिप्शन क्यों ले रखा है मैंने? How do I remove all subscriptions together? ये सुनो शाहिद. Like what is happening? मैं क्या देखा? हाँ? What? आज के लिए इतना ही करते हैं. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you, to you, to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Trying to hide from the world. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Trying to hide from the world. What was the first song that we did? What was the first song we did? Try high. What was the first song we did? We did do something nice. What the fuck? Oh, I remember now. Linkin Park. Yes, of course. Yes, of course. एक second. My accent is horrible. Don't worry. Yes, of course. It was the last two. Exactly. Sometimes I hear this. Oh yeah, so literally. Shit was that. Oh yes, LA is so. Well, yeah, you. Bucket. I like it. Also, I think my prediction failed. I think I'll tell you now. My prediction was what emoticon will you use while saying good night? Can you guess what emoticon I was thinking you're gonna put? I'm asking you to predict. अब तो hint दे रहा हूँ. नहीं, I thought you'll put a guy with the mustache. You did? I did not expect that. तो मुझे लगा था you'll do it art because I mentioned my mustache art. Oh, sorry, but that defeats my prediction though. Anyways, good night. अब मैं आपसे ध्यान दूंगा थोड़ा. आप बड़े अच्छे जैसे आज बकेट और प्लांट तो क्रेजी था. मैंने बहुत ज्यादा स्टूपिड चीज बोली है. I think it's because I've been watching anime and I've been watching such stupid shows. Oh my god. Oh shit. क्या बोलता है विनायक भाई तू भी. सन के आसपास घूमेगा ही नहीं अगर उसके पास इतना वेट नहीं होगा, इतना मास नहीं होगा भाई. इतना स्टूपिड हूँ मैं. एक रीजन है इतना छोटा प्लैनेट नहीं हो सकता. बिकॉज अगर इतनी छोटी चीज होगी वो दूसरे प्लैनेट से अट्रैक्ट होगी, उसके अंदर चली जाएगी. उसका बहुत ज्यादा मास होना चाहिए, बहुत ज्यादा मास होना चाहिए कि वो एक सेपरेटर है, कि उसका अपना ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स हो. अपनी ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स के लिए अमाउंट ऑफ ग्रेविटी. एक्चुअली दैट्स द थिंग. उस एनिमे में उस छोटे से प्लैनेट वो एग्जिस्ट कर पा रहा है बिकॉज इट इज 10 times द ग्रेविटी ऑफ अर्थ. सी, उसमें भी लॉजिक है. वाई इन दैट एनिमे it can exist is because it has its own gravitational force much stronger than Earth. It does mean anything. अगर तुम्हारे बहुत ज्यादा ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स है तो इट लिटरली मास तुम्हारा उतना ज्यादा होना चाहिए, उतना ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स एग्जिस्ट होना है, तुम्हारा खुद का mg होना है. इट ऑलवेज बीन टू ऑब्जेक्ट्स. और मास होगा ही जितना तुम्हारा साइज है ज्यादा, और ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स अपने आप होगा ही. हाँ तो सन है ना. ऑफ कोर्स एक स्टार के आसपास होना चाहिए. दैट्स द होल पॉइंट एक प्लैनेट का. मैं अज्यूम कर रहा हूँ एक स्टार एग्जिस्ट करता है, ह्यूज स्टार एग्जिस्ट करता है, क्योंकि वो प्लैनेट अभी कैम्ब्रिज ने बताया कि एक सेलेस्टियल बॉडी के लिए वो स्टार होना बहुत जरूरी है. क्या हाल है ऋषभ? So the planet would have highness. एक बॉय बहुत हाई, exactly like a tungsten metal. Imagine एक tungsten metal घूमता हुआ. एक छोटा सा, not छोटा but काफी, not that big, काफी बड़ा but not that big. टंगस्टन मेटल वजह से घूम रहा है. Wait, what's the heaviest metal? It's osmokios. क्या है? Isn't it osmokios? ऐसे ही कुछ है ना वो metal? Heaviest, densest metal. Densest metal. Osmium, because it's so much smaller. In fact, it has to be 10 times gravity. I guess it is that anime small King Kaika planet is that much dense. Densest metal in the universe bhi hai koi. That's also osmium. It has a density of 22.59 gram per centimeter cube. Imagine how heavy it would be. Is anything denser than osmium? Lol. I think it's also densest at the room tempo. I know. So इसमें यही लिखा है कि iridium becomes the densest element when in the proper temperature at high pressure. Temperature dependent, pressure dependent, of course, yeah. Anyways, good night. Good night. What are the top 3 densest metal? Osmium, iridium. Bye. Cool discussion.